Hello friends, welcome to today's session, that is session on linear equation in two variables by graphical method. I hope who are feeling difficult to draw a graph, so this method may be very useful. So to draw a line we required 2 points. So I will prepare a table for only 2 points. Suppose two equations are given, so we have to prepare a table for x coordinate, y coordinate, then you will get a point. So in the same way, x coordinate and y coordinate, here also you will get the point. So here some easy tricks I'll apply to solve this equation. So x plus y is equal to 6. So here, before going to solve this equation, so in the diagonal way I'll give zeros. That is, if x becomes 0, what is y value? That is, so x is equal to 6 minus y. So what y value I have to give to get x is 0. So 6 minus 6, then x is equal to 6 minus 6 is 0. So x we have got a 0. So when I have given y value is 6. So like this. In the same way, so again I'll write the equation x plus y is equal to 6. So here also, here y value is 0. To become y value is 0. So x value what I have to substitute in this equation. So that means, see, here x value, if x goes that side, that means y is equal to 6 minus x. So y is equal to 6 minus, I have to give x is also 6, then only, so y will become 0. So x value what I have given 6. So that's it. So in the same way, so we will do for the equation number 2, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So here also in the diagonal way I'll give zeros. So now here x must be 0. Then y value what I have to substitute? X must be 0. X you should get 0. So that means, see here, so x is equal to y will go that side, so minus y it will become plus y. So that means x is equal to 4. So y value I have to give minus 4. So here I'll substitute minus 4. So then only x value will become 0. So in the same way, x minus y is equal to 4. So here y value should be 0. Y should be 0. What x value I have to give? So minus y is equal to 4. Take this minus x. So that means minus y is equal to, I have to give x value is 4. That means 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Minus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So that's it. In the easiest way also you can solve this. That is, if x plus y is equal to 6 is given, so that is, here we substituted before 0 zeros, right? So x value should be 0. Substitute 0. That is, we have a x and y coordinates. So in the diagonal way 0 I will substitute. So x is equal to 0. Substitute in the place of x is 0. So plus y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6. So now in the same way x plus y is equal to 6. That is y value should be 0. In the place of y substitute 0, that is 6. Now x is equal to 6. So second equation, So x and y coordinates. In the diagonal way, substitute zeros, and here x minus y is equal to 4. So x value should be 0. Minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to minus 4. This minus will go to that side, that is minus 4. And here y value should be 0. This is y. Y value should be 0. That is x minus y is equal to 4. So y value have to substitute 0. X minus 0 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. So here it is 4. So we have two methods to solve the equations to find the points. Now we will mark the points. Here the graph is already ready to mark. So before going to draw the graph, you have to write the scale. So that is x-axis. Here I have considered 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y-axis also I considered each 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So now here the point is 0 to 6. Here is 0. The y-axis we have to see 6. This is 0, 6. And second point is 6, 0. That is, in the x-axis we have to see the 6. 6, 0 means on the x-axis you will get the point. That is 6, 0. So now join the points. So after joining the point, you will get a required line, that is x plus y is equal to 6. So in the same way, I will mark another equation point. So that is 0, minus 4. First point is 0 to minus 4. Here 0, so minus 4 will come here. Zero to minus 4, and 4 to 0. On the x-axis is 4, 4, 0. So now I will join these 2 points. So after joining these 2 points, we have got a required line, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So after joining both the lines, so you have to find out where both the lines are intersected. This intersected point you have to mark. So let me mark to y-axis and x-axis. So like this. The same way, join on x-axis also. So friends, now we have got a required coordinates, that is x value is, x coordinate is 5.5, 6, 7, that is 5.7, and y coordinate is 1, 1.5, 1.6, y is equal to 1.6. So this is the required graph for the given 2 linear equations. So friends, if the class is useful, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.